This is how to reset your service light on your Renault Clio. This is a 2014 model. We're basically just going to be using the ignition and the two buttons on the end of the wiper stalk, the up and down. So start off, it's a keycard model, so put the key in, keep your feet off the pedals to switch the ignition on. And then the ignition comes on and we've got the spanner light there. So using the up and down buttons, I'm going to use the up button. Not the service required, keep going through, keep going around all the usual service intervals, there we go. Now then, press the down button or the up button, either of them will do, it'll take us into that menu. Keep it pressed, there we go. Service in, although we know it needs a service now because it says no months. So using the up button, I'm going to press and hold the up button. It'll start to flash. There we go, that's flashing. Keep it pressed. It's reset now to 12 months and it's stopped flashing. So now we can release the button, then press the down button and it comes up with the oil change. So we're going to press and hold the down button. Do the same thing again. Start flashing. There we go. The mileage will reset. There goes the mileage and now it's due in 2 years. It stopped flashing. Release the button. And then simply start up. Spanner light's gone out, and if we scroll through, as you can see, no message, so no service required because we just reset it. And then we're back to the usual suspects. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.